Hi there, I'm dragos.codre and I have something really exciting to show you guys. This is Corona Render, the complete guide by Francesco Legrenzi. Let's check this out. Well, this is nice. It also comes with a memory stick, and I see here there are two CDs, which I believe contains the Corona Render 3ds Max native scene files. I'm pretty sure they'll come in handy. Let's see what's inside. It also has a bookmark. These are the CDs. And this is the complete guide. Good quality print. To be honest, it's the first time I see so much information gathered in one place. In fact, look at this. It's 1.88 kilos of information. It's something, right? Look at this, a preview of the book. I believe that this covers everything about Corona rendering. I'm pretty hyped about it, can't wait to dig in. After going through the book a little bit more, I would recommend this to both amateurs and experts. Its content is straightforward and it has a lot of examples that illustrate in great detail the best and the least known settings of Corona Renderer. The more I delve into the book, the more I realize it is a real help for everyone who has a keen eye for perfection and details in this industry. It really is about improving your skills and fully completing the knowledge set. Nice work, Francesco!